Welcome, my name is Bastian Brox and I'm responsible at EMIS Electrics for all service actions. With this little video series, we would like to give you additional support on how to restart a ride after a long standstill. In this video, we are going to show you how to check different sensors and light barriers which you can find at your ride. Maintaining sensors is essential to avoid unwanted ride behavior during operation. During a track walk, you should check every sensor which is on the ride. Make sure to wear all necessary personal protection devices which are needed for your works. First, you should check if the electrical part number is at the sensor and easily readable. This will ensure easy identification of the part if a replacement is necessary. Loose sensors may result in errors or damages during the startup of the ride. Check if all bolts are tight and the sensor can't move in any direction. Loose sensors or bolts should be tightened immediately. Dirt on the sensor can be easily washed off with a wet towel. The housings of light barriers are a welcome home for insects and small animals. Indeed, they disturb the operation or may trigger the light barrier. Check the housings carefully for unwanted residents and if so, remove them. Clean the lenses and reflectors of the light barrier with a wet towel to ensure proper reflection values. Document the status of every checked sensor by taking a photo of it. If you are using a digital maintenance software, it should be mandatory to upload the picture. It may happen that sensors and light barriers are getting painted over during maintenance works in the winter. Clean any kind of paint with proper equipment. If the cleaning liquid might damage the sensor or the paint and dirt is too heavy, change the sensor for a new one. Thank you for your attention and we wish you all the best for your restarting actions. If any questions arise or the operator's manual leave anything open, don't hesitate to contact us. Contact us on the listed email addresses or telephone numbers. We hope you enjoyed the video and it has helped you in your actions.